Hello, and welcome to this TikTok Shop affiliate marketing course where I'm going to be sharing with you guys step by step how anyone can get started with the TikTok Shop affiliate marketing program, making money simply reviewing products being sold on the TikTok platform at the moment. So what is a TikTok Shop affiliate program? I'm sure you guys watching this video already are familiar with what it is, hence why you're watching this training. So the TikTok Shop affiliate marketing program is basically creating short videos, just reviewing products on the TikTok Shop platform, and then you get paid every time somebody buys your products. I'm sure if you guys already use TikTok, you've seen a lot of people, a lot of creators talking about products, and then they tell you to click on the yellow basket to buy yours. That's the affiliate products they are promoting, and every time you buy that product through that link, they earn a commission. Now, let's say, for example, you were promoting a £50 product and that product was paying you a 20% commission. You are going to make £10 profit, guys, for simply creating short videos on TikTok talking about products that you probably already use right now, products that you already buy on TikTok right now. You could be turning those products into commissions. Like, how insane is that? And the best part about this is the fact that you can start making money and creating passive income using this strategy, because once you create a video, it may not pick up today, it may not pick up tomorrow or the next week or month, but trust me, that video could eventually go viral 6 months down the line, right? So all you're doing is just basically creating all these little seeds. I like to think of it as, planting all these little seeds, and all these little seeds are your videos. All these videos you're putting out there, you never know which video is going to go viral. Like, I have a video that literally just picked up 6 months later and started making me sales, and I was like, wait a minute, what's going on? Suddenly it started ranking up views, I was making sales, and I forgotten about that video, right? Because I was focused on creating new videos. And that's the beauty about TikTok Shop products. And this is why you're seeing people making a full-time income, six figures, guys, from TikTok Shop alone, because all you're doing is putting out content, reviewing products, right? And again, it's not a get rich quick scheme. You're not going to get rich overnight, but with consistency, trust me, some of your videos are going to pick up, and you just need one or two viral videos to start making six figures, okay? Easily achievable, okay? So, how do you get started with the TikTok Shop program? The first thing you need to do is you need to register for a personal account. So, don't register for a business account. It has to be a personal account. So, you may already have TikTok if you're watching this video right now, or you may not have it. The best way to do it is to do it on your phone. So, go to your phone on your App Store or your Play Store and just search for TikTok. That's where you're going to register for your account, and you can either use your email or your phone to register. Okay. Now, if you already have an account on TikTok, it's really up to you. I recommend that you start with the account that you already have right now, because you already have some followers there. The account is already active right now. And, it's easier to just turn that into your TikTok Shop affiliate platform, because you already have an audience, you are already an active account, and TikTok actually favors accounts that have been active for at least 3 months. Okay, so if you already have an active account, that's actually the best place to start. But if you feel like, I don't want to mix my affiliate product business with, what I'm doing right now, maybe you have family members and friends that you don't want to know about what you do, you can create a new account. But to be fair, you're probably going to have a lot of people that are following you right now that will be interested in the products that you're reviewing. So it only makes sense to tap into your existing network. But again, it's entirely up to you. If you create a new account, it just means you have to start from scratch. So that's one thing to bear in mind, okay? So a lot of people struggle here, and I've seen a lot of videos, people posting videos about make money on TikTok Shop, but nobody tells you how to attract followers. So when it comes to TikTok Shop, you do need to have at least 500 followers in the UK or 5,000 followers in the USA at the time of recording this video. Now, depending on when you watch this, maybe they would change this again. It used to be like 1,000 followers for the UK, but now it's 500. So this is likely to change. Just a disclaimer out there before you guys are like, but it's 1,000, it's not 500. So at the time of doing this video, it's 500 followers for UK and 5,000 for USA. How do you get all these followers when you're just starting, right? Now, if you already have an existing account, I'm sure you're close to this number. Let's say you have a TikTok page that you've been, has been active for some years now. I'm sure you probably have some followers, right? That's a great place to start, right? But if you're just building from scratch, here's how you can do it, and here's how you can grow your existing page. You just need to start posting content consistently. I would recommend at least 2 to 3 times a day. Okay, the more you post, the more you are going to start getting those views, likes, and follows to your page. Okay, that's literally the hack. Okay, another thing that you can do is you can start posting review videos. Use this as a trial or testing period, right? Start posting review videos of products that you already have at home. Okay, let's say like I have a NutriBullet blender, for example, right? So what I can do is create a video just juicing my fruits, right? Create a video just juicing my fruits, and then I can upload that to my TikTok page. And guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna tag the brand NutriBullet to the product. Okay? So start posting that video. People say post the content, and that's just it. Post the content, okay? Again, use scroll stopping hooks. People don't have enough, attention span is literally like zero at this point. So you need to attract people within the first 0 to 3 seconds with your hooks. You can use ChatGPT, guys, AI to generate catchy hooks for your content. Another thing you can do is you can go to the TikTok For You page. Every time you go to your homepage on TikTok, you see all those videos that TikTok is actually recommending to you. Like and engage in them, right? If they resonate with you, like and engage in them, and follow accounts. So you're actually active on the platform. And then when you're active on the platform, people are going to start following you back. And TikTok actually rewards people for being active. Maybe not financially, but in the future, when you do apply for the program, you are going to get approved because you've proven to them that you're not a bot, you're a real person. Okay? Use the app like it was designed to. The way you're using it right now, you're liking, you're sharing, you're engaging, and things of that nature. Okay? And the more you do this, guys, the more your follower count is going to start growing, and in no time you're going to hit those thresholds. Honestly, it's as simple as that. Okay, so again, do this for at least 30 days because this is really going to increase your chances of being approved for the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Now, once your account meets all the qualifications and the criteria for TikTok Shop affiliate marketing, which is of course meet the community guidelines, don't be doing any violations here, be at least 18 years old and have 5,000 followers. This is for the USA. If you are in the UK, it's actually 500. Okay. So I could only get a screenshot for the USA. So this is what you're going to get. You're going to get a message from TikTok saying you are ready to apply. You're going to get an invitation, and then congratulations, you are good to go. Well done, because you've been amazing for the last 30 days. Now that you're finally in the TikTok affiliate program, you're probably wondering, how do I go on to start promoting products? So if you already shop on TikTok right now, the first place to start is to go to your order history, right? All those products that you've previously purchased from TikTok Shop is where you're going to be starting. If you haven't already shopped on TikTok Shop, you can also look for other products in your home. If you go to the TikTok Shop, there's actually a camera feature that allows you to scan products in your home, and then TikTok is going to tell you if those products are available in the TikTok Shop. Another way to find products is to look at your For You page. If you go to your home page and you start seeing a lot of videos of people reviewing a product, it's getting lots of engagement, that's a sign that that's a viral product. Okay, it's a trendy product that you could potentially promote and make some money and go viral really, really fast. Okay, you see what's working and then you tap into it. You can also use tools like Halo Data to find trendy products. They have a free version, but they also have a paid version as well. I will link it below this video. You can use that to scan trendy and viral products on TikTok. Promoting viral products means you stand a higher chance at being seen and also making sales much, much faster, especially as a beginner. Again, like I said, you can find products in your home currently being sold on the TikTok Shop, and then you can simply just create content reviewing those products. Okay. Now, as a rule of thumb, I recommend that you make sure that the products are paying you at least £1 or $1 per sale, because it makes sense. If you're promoting a product that's only paying you like 1p or 2p, to be honest, it doesn't really I would not recommend doing that. Now, there's an exception though. Okay. If these are products that you already have at home, that's okay. Okay, you can promote them. You need to pay you just 1p or 2p because you're using this to build your platform. You're just getting started. So you can start with those cheaper products. It's okay. But if you're going to be buying products in the platform to promote, I recommend that you buy products that at least pay you this amount, because it only makes sense to be investing money on products that will actually pay you a higher commission. Okay, but if you already have products at home, it doesn't matter how much it is. Make sure the reviews are at least 4.2. Again, this is applicable if you're buying products on the TikTok Shop. I recommend that you make sure that there's at least 4.2 reviews. Don't go for products that have very low reviews, because it means people are either returning the products a lot, or it's just not, it's not a product you want to promote. You don't want to be associated with a product that somebody will buy today and return tomorrow, and then you need to return the commissions back to TikTok. We don't want that, right? And also make sure that there's a high volume of stock available. You don't want to promote the product today and then people go to click on your link and the product is sold out. Make sure that the product has enough stock. Okay, I'm talking hundreds, if not thousands in stock, because then you can also make money. Okay. So how do you add products to your showcase? To start promoting products on TikTok, you will need to actually add those products to your showcase. So when you go to the TikTok Shop or you see something on the For You page and you click on the actual product, this is what you will see, right? You will see the actual product, the price, and because you've been approved as an affiliate, what you're also going to see is something that says earn a certain commission per sale. So this is a sweet, look at this, £5 per sale. Like this is insane, guys. This is insane. Huge commission. Think of just a few sales on this product. You could be like on your way to hundreds, if not thousands a month for just this one product. And you don't have to ship any products. You don't have to deal with customer service. You don't have to package orders. And the beauty about promoting products on TikTok is the fact that you can actually find products that already have good reviews, right? Because then the product is going to sell for itself, right? And people start seeing good reviews, there's no doubts about the product. They're gonna go ahead and buy it. And you promoting the product that already has good reviews is just gonna make the process much smoother. Okay. So what you can see here is the commission here per sale, right? It tells you exactly how much you will earn. So you can decide if this is a product you want to promote or not. So what you want to do is you want to swipe up here, just swipe up, and then once you swipe up, you will bring this other information here, as you can see, right? And then you see a button here that says add to showcase. Your showcase is basically your personal store on your page, okay, on your TikTok page. So if you're promoting products, anybody that has TikTok Shop affiliate products, if you go to their account, you will see a tab that says showcase. That's literally their personal store. And if you buy any product in that showcase, they earn a commission. So I recommend adding as many viral products to your showcase as possible. It doesn't have to be a product that you're selling right now, but maybe something you intend to promote, or just a product that's really viral. Like I have a lot of products in my showcase that I've never promoted, but are actually making money because people come to my page, they go to my showcase and they buy those products. Okay. And then once your products are added to your showcase, you can start creating your videos and then linking them to the products. I'll show you guys, how you can actually go and link them to your content. Okay. And finally, before you post your videos, very important. This happened to me before. I accidentally posted a review video without linking it to the product. And it was so annoying because I had to delete it and then, re-upload it again in a different way, because once you've uploaded a video on TikTok usually doesn't like duplicate content, especially when it comes to reviewing videos and TikTok Shop products. They don't want you to be posting duplicate content because that can be flagged up for violations. Okay, so again, that's one thing you need to be aware of. Go to your TikTok Shop center, the studio, and familiarize yourself with violations so you don't break any of the violations. Okay, so before you post any videos, right, we have the video, we have the captions and the keywords here, not in this one of course, but you guys get the idea, right? There's going to be a section here that says add link. So before you post, make sure you go to add link. We're going to select products and more, then it's going to bring this up, and then you select products. Okay, and then you're going to find the product that you're promoting on that list, and then just click on add. And once you've added it to the video, save your video as drafts first. Okay, I recommend you do this because sometimes you can forget. Again, if I had double checked everything, I wouldn't have just gone ahead and posted and then remembered, oh my God, I did not link the actual product, right? Save as draft and then go back and edit the video and then double check that you have everything covered before you go on to post. And guys, congratulations, you just posted your first TikTok affiliate video. I'm sure you guys have heard about free samples, refundable samples. Everybody wants free products. I'm getting all these free products from TikTok. How are people doing this? One way to get products to promote is to request for free samples or refundable samples. Now, I only recommend that you look into requesting for free samples once you started making sales, because most likely brands are not going to send you any free samples because they want to see that you're actually already making money on TikTok. Okay, that's the only way to build that trust. So if you're not making any sales yet, don't even bother applying for free samples. You can apply, however, for refundable samples. Okay, but I'm going to show you guys how you can actually request for both. Okay, so in order to do that, you want to go to your TikTok profile and then click on TikTok Studio. So as an affiliate, a lot of the things that you need are going to be in the TikTok Studio section. And then here we're going to go to TikTok Shop for Creator. We're going to go there. This is where you're going to be able to see all the info about your commissions and things of that nature. This is a new TikTok Shop account. It's just been recently approved. I already have another account that actually does, more consistent sales. So, but once you start making sales, you're going to be able to see all that here in the GMV. This is the revenue. The commissions is what you're actually going to get paid. That is what is going to go into your bank account. And you can actually click here to see all the products that have been sold and the different videos that actually drove that traffic. And this is a great way to kind of go back and recreate, similar videos or promote similar products again. Okay. So if something is working, promote it even more using different hooks and different angles. Okay. In order to request for samples, you want to go to the product marketplace right here. Okay, and then as you can see right here, if you just scroll down a little bit, you can see where it says recommended for you. There's an option there that says free samples, and then you can also say refundable samples. Okay, so now if you are already making sales, let's say if you've met at least £100 or $100 worth of sales minimum, you can try to request for samples, because there's actually brands out there that wouldn't mind working with creators that have just recently started making sales. Okay, but if you're making $0, like less than $100, I'm not going to recommend that you apply for free samples. And I'm talking about 100 GMV, the revenue, not your profit. Okay, so we're going to go to free samples here, and then it's going to filter out all the products based on the products that are actually offering a free sample. Now, what you want to do is you want to scan through the different products, of course, and see the products that are, of course, relevant to what you want to promote, your niche and things of that nature. So as somebody in the health and wellness niche, I'm definitely going to be promoting something like this. Okay, as you can see right here, it says free sample, which means I can actually request for a free sample, but I'm not going to be doing that because this account is just a brand new, newly approved account. So, but if you just swipe up, as you can see, it tells you how much you're going to earn per sale. It's not a lot, but it does add up. Okay, imagine that product going viral and you making like 1,000 sales. That's some good money right there that you could be making from a product that you don't even own. Now, to get a free sample, you can just press on this request from seller, get free sample, as you can see, and then you select and then you request the free sample right here. And then it's going to ask you obviously to select your delivery postal address and then apply. And then we wait and see and, hear back from the brands if we qualify or not. Okay, again, there's a high chance that you are not going to qualify if you're not making any sales just yet. Okay, if you go back again, you can see we have another option here for refundable samples. I'm going to deselect that free samples. Now, if you're just getting started, refundable samples are actually the best way to get started. Now, the difference here is you are going to have to buy the product. Okay, so you will be buying the product, but the difference here is once you generate your first sale of that product, you are going to get a full refund of your order. So your order becomes free. So it's literally a matter of getting the product and then getting one sale of that product. And then the supplier or the seller is going to send you your full refund. So let's see this one, for example, right? If I went ahead, you can see it's refundable sample. If I go ahead to actually purchase this, right? So the commission for this is 0.09 per sale, pretty small. I wouldn't recommend promoting products that have such a small commission unless you have a huge audience. This is really, really tiny. Anything under like a pound, I usually don't like to promote anything under a pound, to be honest, especially if, it's not something like I don't have the audience to sell. So like I don't have a large following, right? So I wouldn't want to promote something that pays so small. I'll be looking at products that pay at least, a pound plus, if I'm paying my money for it. If it's a free sample, guys, you can go with anything because, it's a free product at the end of the day. But if it's a refundable sample that you're actually spending your own money on, then I recommend that you go for something that is paying you at least a pound. So example, something like this is paying at least a pound. It makes sense, right, for me to promote it, buy it, invest my own money into it, right? Because it pays at least a pound, right? So I'm gonna go have a look. I love this one. This is it's going quite viral right now. It's paying £1.35. So this is a product I could potentially purchase. Okay. Now the difference here is instead of just purchasing it as a normal product, you're going to be purchasing it as a refundable sample. As you can see, it says if you generate one sale for this product, you get a full refund. So if I sold this product, guess what's going to happen? Not only am I going to earn £1.35 commission from that customer, right? I'm making £1.35 commission from the customer, first of all. And then second of all, the supplier is going to refund me my full £15 back. This is the beauty of refundable samples, right? You get one customer, they buy your product. This is literally like just telling your mom, your dad, your family member, your friends, like getting them to buy this product and you get your money back. Like, it's that simple. And it's easier to get this. You don't need to be approved for a refundable sample. You just go on there, you select, and then it's going to ask you to obviously check out, as you can see. So you're going to get a refund, okay, once you've made a sale. So that's going to be within 120 days of making that. Like, you have to make a sale within 120 days basically, or check out and pay for that product. So you do need to pay for it, but this full amount, £19.84, will be refunded back to you once you've made a sale. So this is how you're going to go ahead and start getting those samples. So if you see a product that you love, right, I recommend that you purchase it as a refundable sample instead of like a regular product. Buy it as a refundable sample. It makes more sense that way than to go and actually buy it on the actual shop itself and then not really get anything from it. Guys, so as you can see, I've given you guys a whole lot of information that you can put together and start getting results yourself. However, if you're still struggling, you have some questions, you need extra support, or maybe you've started this thing and you're still not getting where you want to be, or you're trying to grow your account to your first 500 followers and you're struggling to get there, get in touch, okay? book a one-on-one coaching session with myself. I'll put a link below this video. We can sit down together and actually create a customized strategy plan for you that can help you get to the next level in your TikTok shop affiliate marketing journey. Okay, so be sure to book that call if you're still struggling, and I hope you guys got a ton of value from this video. Stay blessed and have a good day.